Data analysis using the Python programming language has become a key tool in medical bioinformatics, combining syntactic simplicity, versatility, and a wide availability of specialized libraries. Python is a high-level, multi-paradigm, and cross-platform language whose clear, indented structure promotes code readability and reproducibility of analyses. Its interpreted nature and automatic memory management facilitate agile project development, while its extensive international community drives the constant updating of packages and resources geared toward data science, artificial intelligence, and computational biology. From a technical standpoint, Python allows working with multiple data types, integers, floats, strings, and Boolean values, as well as more complex structures such as lists, tuples, dictionaries, and sets, which form the basis for the organized management of biomedical information. In fact, its system of functions, control structures, and modules enables process automation, the creation of reusable scripts, and the design of scalable analysis workflows. Furthermore, package managers like pip and virtual environments like Conda allow for the installation and management of specific dependencies, ensuring stability and reproducibility in complex projects. Overall, Python offers a robust and adaptable environment that integrates programming, statistical analysis, and bioinformatics tools within an efficient framework for contemporary biomedical research and practice.